And let's take a look at this question to reinforce what we just said. Bake Corporation, a calendar year, had the following capital gains and capital losses during year 5. In addition, Bake realized taxable income of $56,000 from its regular business operation for calendar year 5. What's the total taxable income? So they told you from operating the business, they made $56,000, and they have a bunch of gains, short-term gains, long-term gains, and short-term losses. Here's what you do. Net them out. So this is a gain, a loss, a gain, and a loss. So basically gain and loss, they cancel each other. What we're left with is 2,500 gain. For corporation, doesn't matter whether it's short-term or long-term. Here's what's going to happen. We're going to take this gain, and remember what I just said earlier. It's treated like ordinary income. So if we have ordinary income of 56,000, we're going to add to it 2,500. Therefore, our taxable income is 58,500. This is our taxable income for year 5.
Want to see more CPA exam multiple choice questions solved step by step? At farhatlectures.com, you will get hundreds of video solved MCQs step by step, including previously released AI CPA questions, previously released AI CPA simulation, in-depth lectures and resources to prepare for the CPA exam, AI tools that's going to help you study smarter, not harder, CPA exam podcast lessons where you can learn on the go. And also you will get the personal guidance of support of Farhat and his team. If you are serious about passing the CPA exam, this is your next step. Visit the website farhatlectures.com, start your free trial, and I hope to see you on the website.